Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by checking the numbers. Count digits and align by place value so carries land correctly. Once done, pick a method: long multiplication for accuracy, lattice for clarity, or mental shortcuts for patterns, because method choice dictates steps. You write the larger number on top and the smaller below, make space for partial products. Make sure to pad with zeros if place counts differ, since that prevents misplacing tens, hundreds, and so on. This setup halves avoidable errors before you multiply any digits. You now multiply digit by digit. Take the rightmost digit of the lower number and multiply it across the top number, writing the partial product directly below. Once done, shift the next partial product one place to the left so place values line up. Continue for each digit. Make sure to manage carries immediately. Add them into the next column rather than letting them accumulate in your head, because neat columns prevent recomputation. Once all partials are done, prepare to sum them accurately. You finish by adding the partial products column by column, including carries as you go, and writing the final total. Once summed, verify by estimating. Round numbers to 1 or 2 digits and multiply to confirm the magnitude is plausible. This catches scale errors quickly. If the result seems off, make sure to recheck a single-digit multiplication or a misplaced zero. Often the issue is a misshifted partial product. One troubleshooting tip: recompute the suspect partial.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.